Fast loan advance. Need cash fast, get quick, hassle-free loans with no hidden fees, whether it's an unexpected expense or an urgent bill. Our fast loan advances offer you the funds you need in record time. Apply now and experience a smooth, transparent process with flexible payment options. Don't let financial stress hold you back. Get the support you need today. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll show you how you can loan money on Fast Loan Advance. So first of all, what is Fast Loan Advance? So Fast Loan Advance is designed to provide immediate financial relief for urgent needs. It offers also quick access to funds with a streamlined application processes, often without lengthy paperwork, ideal for unexpected expenses or emergencies. These loans come with flexible terms and fast approval, helping you address urgent financial needs efficiently. So first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Fast Loan Advance. So as you can see, we have here various websites show and explain all of details about Fast Loan Advance. We have the first one, it's Reddit, as you can see. Then we have Outlook also, Badru Credit, and here we have Fast Loan Advance, the website. So you can just click over it, and this is the homepage. We have here some questions like, would you also consider a lower amount? Then cell phone number, contact email, then loan purpose, you choose the one you want. Then here the same question that I mentioned before. Then we have here how much do you need, so between 200 and 500, between 500 and $1,000, and between $1,000 and $2,500. Then we have $2,500 and $5,000, and then you click over next step and you sell phone number and write your personal information, and here we go. So using a Fast Loan Advance typically involves a few straightforward steps. So here we have an Outlook of various information about Fast Loan Advance. So I will give you some steps how you can use Fast Loan Advance. So the first one, it's assess your need, determine how much money you need and for what purpose. This will help you choose the right loan amount and type. Then we have research lenders, find reputable lenders that offer fast loan advances, compare interests, rates, fees, and terms to find the best option for you. Then we have applying online or in person. Complete the application process. You will usually need to provide personal information, proof of income, and details about your financial situation. Some lenders allow you to apply online for quicker processing. Then we have review terms. Carefully read the loan agreement, including interest rates, repayment terms, and any fees. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan and the repayment schedule. Then we have receive funds. If approved, you will receive the funds quickly, often within 24 hours. The money is usually deposited directly into your bank account. Then we have repay the loan. Follow the repayment schedule outlined in your agreement. Make payments on time to avoid penalties and maintain a good credit history. Then we have monitor your finances. After receiving the loan, keep track of your spending and financial situation to ensure you can manage repayments without additional strain. So by following these steps, you can effectively use a Fast Loan Advance to address your immediate financial needs. So right now, I will give you some key benefits of a Fast Loan Advance. The first benefits we have here, it's quick access to funds. So Fast Loan Advance provide rapid access to money, often within 24 hours, which is ideal for urgent financial needs or emergencies. Then we have simple application process. The application process is usually straightforward and may be completed online, saving time and reducing paperwork. Then we have flexibility. Many fast loans offer flexible repayments, terms, and amounts, allowing you to choose options that fit your financial situation. Then we have no collateral required. Often these loans are unsecured, meaning you don't need to provide collateral to get approved. Then we have convenience. Funds are typically deposited directly into your bank account, making it easy to access and use the money. Then we have credit building opportunities. If you make timely payments, it can positively impact your credit score, demonstrating responsible borrowing behavior. Then we have transparent terms. Many lenders provide clear and upfront information about interest rates, fees, and repayment terms, helping you make informed decisions. We have the last one, it's immediate relief. Fast loans can help you address your urgent financial issues such as medical expenses and car repairs or unexpected bills, providing immediate relief and peace of mind. So right now, when using a fast loan advance, consider these pieces of advice to manage it effectively. So as you can see, we have your badcredit.org, we have your various information and the various solution how you can use fast loan advance. Right now, I will give you some advices how you can manage effectively fast loan advance. We have the first one, it's only borrow what you need. Borrow only the amount necessary to cover your immediate expense. Over borrowing can lead to higher repayment amounts and financial strain. Then we have understand the terms carefully. Review the loan terms including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedule. Ensure you understand the total cost of the loan and any potential penalties for late payments. Then we have plan for payment. Develop a clear plan for how you will repay the loan, budget for monthly payments, and ensure you have the means to meet them without compromising your essential expenses. Then we have avoid multiple loans. Try to avoid taking out multiple fast loans at once, as this can lead to financial trouble and difficulty managing repayments. Then we have check your credit. Review your credit report before applying for a loan. A good credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates. Then we have consider alternative if possible. Explore other financial options such as personal savings, borrowing from friends or family, or other types of credit with better terms. And then we have also keep track of spending. Use the funds wisely, stick to your budget, and avoid unnecessary expenditures to ensure you can comfortably repay the loan. Then also we have be cautious with lenders. Choose reputable lenders and avoid those with hidden fees or predatory practices. Verify their legitimacy, and read customer reviews if available. Then we have the last one, it's monitor your financial health. Regularly review your financial situation and loan status to stay on top of your obligation and make adjustments if needed. So by following these tips, you can use a fast loan advance more effectively and avoid potential pitfalls. So using a fast loan advance can be a practical solution for urgent financial needs, offering quick access to funds with minimal paperwork. To maximize its benefits, borrow only what you need, thoroughly understand the loan terms, and plan for timely repayment. Always choose reputable lenders and consider alternative options when possible. By managing the loan wisely and staying on top of your finance, you can address immediate expenses while maintaining financial stability. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.